क्या मुझे एमबीए करने की ज़रूरत है? इज इट समथिंग राइट विच आई एम डूइंग? देयर वर सर्टेन मोमेंट्स व्हेन आई फेल्ट डीमोटिवेटेड। या क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा? 99.99 परसेंटाइल इट वाज। Hello everyone, this is Aryan and I'm a final year student at IIT Delhi. Today I want to share something really special, my journey, my CAT journey, how I started preparing for it and how I finally ended up converting IIM Calcutta. I've always been passionate about teaching students. In fact, from the very first year of my IIT life, I started teaching students for JEE mathematics, to be very precise. So in that journey of mine, I noticed that okay, I had the knowledge, I had the technical knowledge, but what I lacked was the business mindset, the managerial capabilities, and that was the first stepping stone that made me realize that okay, maybe MBA is the further thing that I need to pursue, and that's when I decided I should prepare for CAT. I started preparing for CAT in my final year, and it was more of a consistent preparation. I had to prepare for like 1.5 to 2 hours every day, practice hard so that I stay consistent to it. I stay in touch with all the topics, practice regularly, and give mocks definitely. I personally believe CAT is not a test of my knowledge, ki how much I know. Rather, the entire IIM process, it is testing how we can take decisions, how the decisions are made in a stressful environment, right? Even in the interviews. So once I stopped thinking about getting 100% score and rather focused on doing my best, that was the moment I knew that I can do well. मतलब ईगो में हमें सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? इट्स ओके टू लीव क्वेश्चंस. देयर वर सर्टेन मोमेंट्स व्हेन आई फेल्ट डीमोटिवेटेड. आई फेल्ट कि इज इट समथिंग राइट व्हिच आई एम डूइंग? क्या मुझे एमबीए करने की जरूरत है या क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा? एंड दोज वर द मोमेंट्स आई रीअश्योर्ड माई सेल्फ बाय सेइंग कि कर लेगा यार तू, आईआईटी निकाला है, आईआईएम भी निकाल लेंगे. फाइनली कैट हैपेंड, पेपर वेंट वेल, माई स्कोर वॉज डिसेंट एनफ. मेरे को आइडिया था कि ठीक है, आई विल बी वेरी क्लोज टू 100, मे बी नॉट 100 बट समवेयर क्लोज. 15 दिन 20 दिन हुए, द रिजल्ट्स फ्लैश्ड बिफोर माई आईज. 99.99 परसेंटाइल इट वाज एंड 100 परसेंटाइल इन क्वांट. या दैट वाज मे बी समथिंग आई रियली लाइक. सो या बट द जर्नी वॉज नॉट कम्प्लीट, क्योंकि अभी तो सिर्फ कैट हुआ है, अभी इंटरव्यूज बाकी है, अभी इंटरव्यूज कन्वर्ट करने बाकी है. And that's when the entire Unacademy team, Amir sir, helped me a lot with the interview process. Having a mentor like Stuti Lohani, a senior of mine from IIT Delhi, was also something that really helped me during the entire CAT as well as interview process. बस उसके बाद दिन बीतते गए, interviews होते गए, ended up converting my dream college and my best call, IIM Calcutta.
The day when we received the result of IIM Calcutta and got to know that our son has been selected for IIM Calcutta, we are very much happy for him.
हमेशा से ही आर्यन का सपना था कि एपीसी में जाने का, और जिस दिन उसने आईआईएम कैलकाटा क्रैक किया उस दिन हमें बहुत ही खुशी हुई, तो जिसमें मेन रोल रहा आर्यन अकेडमी का. तो सो थैंक यू.
In fact, I'd like to add to that. So when I started with my CAT preparation somewhere around July 2024, the major issue I was facing was that I needed to practice a lot, and the resources, a question bank, a kind of mock test series was something I needed. So that was the moment Unacademy stepped in the picture, and that helped me quite a lot. Like to analyze the mock test properly. मेरे strengths क्या है, weaknesses क्या है. Okay, I'm doing well in quant, but I need practice. I need to speed up. Okay, I might be doing some silly mistakes in logical reasoning. How to improve on them? Okay, maybe I lack some of the basic concept clarity in VARC. How to do well in that? That was the moment these mock test series helped a lot. The structured pattern they had, the courses they had, all the offerings were really great. And once the CAT results were released, I went to the boot camp. वहाँ पे I met quite some great educators. I met Amir sir, and उन्होंने मेरा पूरा जो इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस था वो एकदम स्ट्रीमलाइन कर दिया. उसके बाद कहीं भी आईआईएम में इंटरव्यूज में जाके मुझे पीआई में या फिर रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट में कहीं पे भी इशू नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि उसका पूरा एक स्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड था पहले से. थैंक यू अनअकैडमी फॉर द एंटायर गाइडेंस यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड मी ड्यूरिंग कैट प्रिपरेशन. लेट्स क्रैक इट. Okay, some advice for the future CAT aspirants. Don't wait for the perfect time to start यार. जब समय मिले, जब लगे कि ओके MBA करना है या जस्ट CAT ऐसे ही देना है, start preparing for it. Mock tests though, mock test is very important. Analyze it properly, analyze your scores, get to know of your strengths and weaknesses, and finally believe in yourself. कर लोगे यार.